So welcome back to my channel.
You made me wanna come through, quarter after two, just to put it down on you.
I have been so consistent. If you guys have not noticed, I've been super consistent. I'm trying to keep you guys on schedule. So I've been trying to be super consistent with the schedule. Don't forget my upload schedules are Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays. Those are the days I do like to post throughout the week, just for now, because you guys know come December I am participating in Vlogmas and I will be posting a vlog every single day. Okay, every single day until Christmas. So yes, so until then well, what am I saying, Monday? Until then, Tuesdays and Thursdays you have some sort of like beauty content, lifestyle content, some sort of content like that. And then on Sundays I'm going to try my hardest to continue to give y'all a vlog every single Sunday, but without any of that, because I'm gonna go on and on and on and ramble. Let's get into the video at hand. We are doing skincare products that I am loving right now. Okay, if you want to see the skincare products that I'm loving right now, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and Lego. A few products right here, so I'm just gonna go into like the order I guess I would do my face normally. So I like to personally use a cleansing balm. So the cleansing balms that I have been gravitating to the most have been the Pharmacy Green Clean. So it looks like this is the Pharmacy Green Clean. Mine's is like pretty much, it's almost done. This one's really nice. It gets pretty much all the makeup off. It kind of feels like, if anybody who's never tried the cleansing balm, it almost feels like not heavy like Vaseline, but it has like that Vaseline, that balmy texture. So that's what this feels like. It has, I don't even think it's that scented. It has a nice smell. It smells like kind of like limes, if that makes sense. It kind of smells like limes. So that's this one. And then the next one I like a lot too has been the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. It is basically a makeup melter and a smoother, and it looks like this. This is the Glow Recipe. This is how the inside looks, so you guys can definitely see I've been using this product a lot. This smells, oh my god, it smells so good. This smells really good. This one, to me, it doesn't feel like as heavy as the Pharmacy. To me, the texture is a little bit lighter. It definitely gets a lot of the makeup off. It does the job. It does what it's supposed to do, and I like it a lot. Neither one of them has given me any reactions on my skin, but also I'm not that sensitive on my face, at least. So those are the two cleansing balms that I've been loving. Now we're gonna move over to cleanser. I'm just gonna show you cleanser. I just have this one cleanser that I've been using and abusing, and this is the OLEHENRIKSEN Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. It is an orange fruit water and PHA. So it looks like this, and yeah, I like it. Gets my face pretty clean. When I wash it off or rinse it off, it doesn't feel like it stripped my skin of a lot of oils. It has a really nice smell as well. I really like a lot of Ola products, so you'll see probably like a couple more from him, but I really do like this one a lot, so I would definitely recommend it and say pick it up. Now we're going to go into exfoliators, which, you know, if you're somebody like me, I suffer from textured skin. So an exfoliator is so key, or especially if you have dry skin. People who have dry skin, you definitely would want to exfoliate your skin. That is super duper important to work with texture, smoothness, and getting the makeup to lay nice and smooth and flawless. So the exfoliator that I've been using a lot, surprisingly, I feel like so many people are going to be surprised, but it has been the Huda Beauty, the Wishful Skincare line that she has. It looks like this. It's been in my shower, so mine's just like kind of faded. And this is a Enzyme scrub. So it's not abrasive because it's like the Enzyme. Super gentle. I feel like honestly with this, you could probably use it at least 3 times out the week, and truthfully you'll be fine. It's not harsh at all. It doesn't burn the skin. It gives the skin like a really nice baby smooth finish. So I would definitely recommend this guy. And then for my body exfoliator, I've been using the Skin Effects Resurface Plus Glyconic Renewal Scrub, and it's a double duty pre-shower body peel and polish for rough, bumpy, and crepey skin. And it has 7% glycolic acid and 6% lactic acid, and is tested and recommended by unbiased derms. That is what it says. Also this, oh, I didn't know this, but this is also good for somebody who has psoriasis. You can use this as well. And it just tells you like it's natural fruit acid and bamboo polisher, gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells to reveal smoother, softer beneath this skin beneath. The scrub with botanical oils and grape seeds, sweet almonds, and coconut leaves the skin nourished for a silky soft feel, and it's allergy tested and pH balanced. This stuff is so nice. The only thing I would say you just have to remember is you have to use it before the shower. So you would apply it on your body before you get in the shower, and then of course, you know, like rub it in and all of that stuff, and once you get in the shower you're gonna rinse it off. This one is also, it's not abrasive at all. I feel like it probably wouldn't be as abrasive as like the Tree Hut that a lot of people like. I'm gonna assume this one is probably a lot gentle, but I do want to try the Tree Hut. So when I try it, I'll probably do a comparison and let you guys know on like Instagram. So that is that. And then really quickly, just because I only have two and it's not much to really say about these two products, I'm going to just show you the lip balms that I've been loving. Of course, my handy dandy LANEIGE sleeping mask. So good. It gives the skin like a nice thick coating, almost looks like a shiny lip gloss. I love it, especially like when the winter months, like the drier season, because I live in New York, so it's gonna get brick. It's basically gonna get really cold. This comes in handy. And then I have this one right here, which is my Dr. Bronners Peppermint Organic Lip Balm. This one I like as well too. I like that it has that peppermint minty feel to it, so I like putting it on my lips. So this is another one I love. So just those two. It hydrates my lips, it gets the job done. And yeah, I'm gonna go into treatment serums. These are the two serums that I do like to use, and I'm gonna tell y'all which one I use for which. So I have the OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. It's 15% vitamin C, 5% PHA, and hyaluronic acid. So basically this helps with discoloration. It'll help tighten the skin as well as give the skin hydration. This one in particular, I like it for the day. It's not so heavy, lightweight. I've been using this for like forever. Since every time they repackage the formula, I've used it. I will say this newer version, it's not as sticky as the old version used to be. So if you tried the old version before, I think it was like the clearish orange, like glass looking type of packaging, it used to be a lot more sticky. This one is not. You only need a little bit. Definitely if it does feel really sticky on your face, that's how you know you applied too much. So you only need a little bit. I used to use this before day and night, but now for nighttime I use this baby right here, which is the Peter Thomas Roth Pro Strength Discoloration Treatment. It's also 50% brightening complex. It has some other things in it, but I can't really pronounce it. Clearly I can't talk. What this one does, it reduces the look of discoloration and dark patches with an extra strength tone correcting formula. So this one I definitely like to use it at night, but it does say you can use it day and night. It says it can cause irritation or redness. Has not done it with me. It says use every other day until your skin adjusts to it. Gradually build to daily use, and especially if you're going to use this during the day, you should definitely use an SPF. So this one I like to use at night just because I know typically I forget to put on an SPF. So that is my nightly treatment. And I wanted to go in order of how I do my skincare, but I'm just noticing I forgot to talk about the Origins Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. So basically I've noticed in my skincare I don't have a lot of masks. So I was like, dang, let me get a mask. What type of mask I would want, or I have a lot of hydrating, I believe, masks, something like that. So I'm like, let me try this one out. It's rose, which will give you hydration. It helps with texture, but the clay is also going to help absorb like all of that oil and toxins and get it out the skin. So this one I really like a lot. It definitely hardens up and tightens on the face. When you take it off, it definitely feels really refreshing. It also says it's going to help with your pores to appear to vanish, and radiance is restored, and you should apply a thin layer and use once or twice a week. So I like that one a lot. Moving along, I'm going to show you just the toner that I've been using like all the time, and this is just the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I've been using this as my toner. You can use it day or night. Let it dry before you moisturize. It's for all skin types and sensitive skin. So pretty pretty hydrating to the skin. It's 100% natural, which is another thing that's good, and it has a pH of 4.5. So this is just what I've been using as kind of like a toner type of thing. Now I'm gonna go into eye creams. I have 2 eye creams. I'm gonna show you my day eye cream and the one I use at night. Guys, when I tell you I have so much skincare, like I have so much skincare, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it, but I have a lot. So the eye cream that I use during the day is of course the OLEHENRIKSEN, the Banana Bright eye cream. It has a vitamin C in it and it has collagen. So it basically just gives you like that nice, smooth, hydrating brightness underneath the eye. And it has a banana pigment in it as well. So it gives you the illusion of a super bright under eye. So I enjoy that. And then at nighttime, I use my Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. This one is going to really help target the fine lines, discoloration, texture that you may have underneath the eye. You know, retinol, you are supposed to use it at night. So I go in with that one at night. Also, this is a lot thicker texture. I eat avocado. So yeah, I use that at night. And okay, we're coming to a close. Literally the last 3 products I'm going to show y'all, because I had 3, so I said let me save it for last. It's just my moisturizers. Actually no, I have one more. Before we get into moisturizer, I'm going to show y'all this. It's just one oil. This is a Biossance Squalane oil. A Squalane vitamin C and rose oil. This one is going to help brighten and firm the skin. This I like to use like when my skin is feeling super dry, like when it feels really dry, really dehydrated, or like I just really want to give my skin like an extra bit of like glow. I'll do that one. I don't use it as often, once in a blue, but I do like that oil a lot. I may use it tonight because I've been like going ham with the makeup, so I really just want to treat my skin extra nice and extra lovely. So now we're just going to end the video talking about my favorite moisturizers. So I'm going to go into with the first one, which is the Dr. Jart Teatreament Moisturizer Hydrate, and it contains 81.5% tea tree leaf extract, which that conditions acne prone skin. I'm sorry. And this will also help with your pH. So this one right here, I typically was using this a lot in the summertime when I got it. I got this more towards the summer. So I wanted that. I love that it had the tea tree in it, which is really good for acne prone skin, which I have. But I also will use this one now, like when it's that time of the month, because that's when I tend to break out. So that's when I mainly like to use this one now, because it has a tea tree and stuff. It's more to it'll kind of also help control oil as well. So if you're acne prone, oily, this is like amazing for you. But the one that I typically wear during the day has been the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé Moisturizing Cream. It's a calming and hydrating cream. It looks like this. It smells so good. It smells really good. All their products smell good though, but this smells super good. It's not too heavy on my skin. It goes on really nice with makeup. It's no complaints. I love it so much. And that is my daily, like my day moisturizer. And then my night moisturizer that I've been loving a lot, or this one I wear sometimes too, like if my skin is really dry or I just want my foundation to go like super dewy and super glowy, I'll do the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream right here. I'll go in with this, but mainly I use this one more at night. It's a little bit more up, like a whipped consistency, so I do like to apply that one at night. So yeah guys, that was like a mouthful. My mouth is like, I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna have a sip of my lemonade. So yeah guys, that concludes all the products that I am loving for this month, or just in general the products that I'm loving. A lot of these products are definitely products I'm transitioning over to my fall. Your skin is going to get a little bit drier, the weather is going to get a lot cooler, and the air is a lot drier. So a lot of these products I'm using to transition over. But until then, I will see you in the next video. Also comment down below if there's any products that you want to know about, any questions that you may have. I would love to answer them. And I'm going to list all the products that I've mentioned below in the description bar, and I might even link, like have the link for you to get the products. I don't know yet. It depends on how the day goes. But until then, I'll see you in the next one. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And later, mamas.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause you